I'm going to be making absolutely gorgeously delicious dal or lentils, and I'm going to serve it with some harissa roasted cauliflower and red onions. Here goes in 200 grams of red lentils, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1.2 liters of boiling water. I'm going to now cover and cook this on medium to low heat for 15 minutes. I'm using red onions. You can use white onions if you have that, 1 large or 2 small. And I'm also going to use half of the cauliflower. And 2 garlic cloves roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons of harissa paste. To this, I'm going to add a good tablespoon of olive oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add it to the chopped veg. This is going to go into a hot oven. I've got the oven preheated at 200 C, and I'm going to put this in for a total of 25 minutes, but in between I'll just turn it around. 15 minutes and the lentils are cooked beautifully. They are soft, they are mushy, and I'm going to turn the heat off. So 15 minutes in, I'm just going to turn it around. Oh, it smells incredible. Look at that. Just going to turn this over a little bit. And then this goes back in again for another 15 minutes. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's perfectly cooked. I'm going to transfer it in a serving bowl. This is looking so good. It's cooked through, and I'm just going to sprinkle on top of the lentils. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons of natural yogurt, a good pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix it all up. And just drizzle some of this on the lentils. Finish it with some chili flakes. And that, my friends, is the ultimate dal recipe. And that's all you need. It is so good. It's absolutely delicious. The roasted veg with the harissa paste adds so much flavor, and the yogurt is just that smooth finish you need. Just brilliant. I really do hope that you're going to give this a go. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back here again with a brand new recipe very soon.